was asking your real name.
Yeah, my name is Mashallah. This is my real name, sir.
Mashallah, mashallah. So,
Yes,
very nice name you have. So,
thank you. Thank you.
mashallah, will you please give me your short introduction?
Why not, sir?
Yeah.
My name is Mashallah. I'm from Delhi. I have completed 12 from Madrasa Board of Lucknow. Nowadays, I'm doing graduation and I'm second year. It is also from Madrasa Board of Lucknow. Uh, and my hobbies are reading books and making videos on YouTube. And as far as my aim, so I want to become an English speaker and big preacher of Islam.
Yeah, that's very nice.
That's all about me.
So, would you like me to give my introduction?
Why not, sir? Why not?
Yeah, okay. So, I am Jahangir Sheikh. I am from Nanded, Maharashtra. I have completed my post graduation in English, and from the last 15 years, I have been guiding the students in English language. Right now, I am working as an English teacher in one of the English medium schools. Okay, so this
Yeah,
is
sir.
introduction. So today's topic is
That's great.
importance of time. So are you
Yeah,
comfortable
sir.
with this topic?
Why not, sir? I'm ready for it, sir.
Yeah, okay. So mashallah, as you know that time is very important in life. Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah. There is a proverb in English, time and tide wait for none. Okay. So
Yeah, sir.
you know about PT Usha? Have you heard?
PT Usha. No,
Okay.
no, no.
A famous athlete from India, and you know that she had lost her Olympic medal by 100th part of a second. Okay, even 20 seconds earthquake can destroy so many houses and finish so many lives. So these people
Mm.
know that time is very much important in life. So first of all, tell me, uh, do you manage your time properly, or you just live your life casually? You don't care about.
Sir, right now I am in middle both of them. It's mean that, sir, I'm not using properly my time, and as well as I'm not carrying properly uh, my time. So whenever I get time, and whenever I get time, sometime I utilize my time, and sometime I waste my time in unnecessary things. So like this, both is going in my life, are going in my life, sir.
Okay, that's nice. So according to you, what is the time management? If you have to define management, then what will you say about the time management?
Sir, it is very clearly that, sir, time is very important, as you have mentioned, and this is like a, we can say in a short way, the time is everything. If you are nothing without time, if you wanna get a successful life, so and because I'm doing Molara course, so there is a Adam, which is said in the like Arabic language. This is a very famous saying about the English that if you don't kill the time, so time will kill you. So definitely it is very truth, and it is very like a observative Adam, sir. So time time is, as I mentioned, everything, and so we should we must utilize time whatever we have, because if we don't use time, so one day we will feel regression, and we will feel disappointed. So time is very extremely expensive thing, sir.
Okay,
That's
so
all. That's my point of view.
yeah, as you said that you are a student, so what is the importance of the time, especially for a student?
So definitely, there are two types of students. There are two types of students. They are getting education and they are getting knowledge. First one, they are using their time in their study purpose and in their like in their study environments. And second one is they are using their time, they are like while they are studying, but they are using their time in unnecessary thing, different like in different things that are not from the studies environments, and not from in the study it must atmosphere. So definitely, according to my point of views, time is like a time is also very expensive, extremely necessary for the students. If you are not getting, if you are not like a if you are not giving your time for your study purpose, for your for your books, for your like a concepts, so definitely you are unable to understand all concepts of the subjects. And like this, you will not become a you will not become expert in your like in your field. You will not collect the tremendous and profound knowledge in your field. So definitely utilizing of time in a good way, in like a in unnecessary like in necessary place, it is very important thing, sir.
That's very nice. So, you know that if we don't manage our time properly, then we have to face so many problems in our life. Okay. So, has it ever happened with that because of the lack of proper time management you suffered? Can you describe a particular incident where you suffered because of the lack of proper time management?
So could you repeat, please?
Yes, my question was that so many times it happens that when we do not manage our time properly, then we have to face so many problems. So obviously, sometimes you might also have faced some problems. So can you describe a particular event or incident where you suffered a lot because of not managing your time properly?
I got it, sir. So definitely this is a very this is a very major concern to not manage the time, and like this we can get the we can get lots of difficulties and problem that we will have to face. So still, sir, in my life, like yeah, I hadn't faced any kind of difficulties that I have which I am going to share with you. But somewhere somewhere small incidents, so many time I had to face when I didn't follow the when I didn't manage the time, when I didn't follow, I didn't fulfill the required of time. Like one day, I would like to share with you. Yeah, yeah, my teacher, he is very important in my life, and he is playing still he is playing like a very expensive role in my life, because always he is suggesting me, he is giving advice me about my life, what should you do and what shouldn't you do. So one day he said to me that he invited me for a program, so for giving a speech. So I said to him, so yeah, I will I would reach on selected time, whatever you have said. But unfortunately, uh, because of not following the time, not managing the time, I couldn't reach on selected time. So as a result, he got angry. He got angry from me. So it was very sad moment for me, because he is my best, we can say that he is my the best teacher, and always he's carrying me, he's suggesting me, and he's taking care of me. After it, I couldn't give the time because of not managing, not carrying the time. So this is a unfortunate moment for me, sir.
Yeah, exactly. So that incident might have taught you the importance of time. Now I would like to ask you a
Yes,
hypothetical question. It is
no
not
problem, why not?
possible to go back in the time, but suppose if you are taken back in the time, maybe 5 years or 10 years back, then what are the things which you would like to avoid? Means you did those things, but if you are taken back 5 years back or 10 years back, then you would have avoided those things.
Okay, yeah. That's great. Thank you, sir. This for this asking for this question. I would like to say one thing, and I would like to mention over here two things, sir. First of all, if I got chance to go back in my past, so first of all, I will first of all I would left to use the cell phone. First one, and second one is if
Interrupt you here. You said I would left. Actually, after using would, no, we have to use first form of the word. So you should say I would leave. Okay, I would left. That is so.
okay. Thank you, sir. So I would leave using, I would leave to use the cell phone, smart cell phone. And second one is if I had to, if I will have to use, so I will use in my in in necessary things, not unnecessary things. So this is one thing that I will do if I get if I will get chance to go back in my past, sir.
So that means that you make so much use of your mobile phone. And this is the only thing
Defi-
you would avoid if you are taken back maybe 5 years or 10 years back.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. I would like to mention one thing more, sir, because it is said that if you have if you have cell phone on, if you have knowledge how to use it, and so you can you can get so many information you around in your from your surrounding and out of your surrounding. But I would like to say, sir, before for uh, for 5 years ago, when I didn't have any kind of cell phone, so on the time, sir, I was very curious of getting knowledge. I was giving my time for 100% for education, for getting information. But sir, when I have completed my kirat course, it is called the kirat course. This is this course is included in the Maulana course. So when I have become a Qari, so on the time, my parents, by having a happy, and by having a happy and very excited, he gifted me cell phone. So by since that time, sir, I can use since that time,
Okay,
us
so
din se.
Mr. Mashallah, here I would like to correct you. You said so many information. Actually, the word information is uncountable. Okay, so we cannot say
Uncountable.
so many information. We have to say so much information.
So much information. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, so much. Thank you, sir. So sir, we can say the since that, sir, us
Yes,
din se, how can say us din se, since the,
from that day onwards, you can say from that
okay,
day.
since, yes. So from that time, I have been using cell phone, necessary thing as well as unnecessary thing. So somewhere I am wasting my time. I am utilizing my time in unnecessary things. So this is, it will be my first priority to give, to leave the use to leave to use cell phone, sir.
Okay, so here I would like to tell you the difference between the preposition from and since. When we have to use
Hmm.
from and when we have to use since. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
whenever we are
Hmm.
mentioning about an incident and we know the exact time of that
Hmm.
that time we can use since. For example,
Okay.
I have been living in Nanded since 1990. So here exact period of time is mentioned. Okay. But when we are
Hmm.
mentioning exact period of time, suppose if I want to say that
Hmm.
I have been living in Nanded from the last 20 years, but the exact time
Hmm.
mentioned here, that we have to use for. And when exact time mentioned, that time we can since. So, as you said that the only thing which you would like to avoid is using the mobile phone. But don't you think that nowadays mobile phone has become a necessity and so many people are there who can't even imagine their life without mobile phone, especially since this pandemic started and most of the people they are spending their days at home. So the use of mobile phone has increased. So why do you think would have avoided that and you regret using more?
Yeah, sir, you are right. I agree with you that nowadays it has become a part of human life. But sir, as you know very well more than me, that everything has two aspects, positive and negative. So, but sir, if we have proper knowledge how to use it in a good way, how to use in a organized way, utilize in organized way. So on the time you can use and you can use necessary things, as well as you should have motivated, and you should be motivated and the inspired, extremely inspired from anyone. So uh, so that like so that even then you can use it in a good way. But if you don't have any kind of motivation and inspiration, so it is very difficult to use it in a good way. Because sir, on social media there is so many things on so many things that you like unpleasant. It means sir, na chahte hue bhi, how can we say,
Even
na
if
chahte hue.
even if you don't want.
Yeah, even if you don't want to watch it, you will have to go, because of attraction of social media, sir. So somewhere you are right also, sir, like on your views. But somewhere, as you know very well, it is being harmful for the students, especially they are they are teenagers, sir.
Okay, Mr. Mashallah, now I am asking you a personal question. Are you a married person?
No, sir. No.
Okay,
I'm
that
a student, sir, right now. Yeah, I'm pursuing, and I'm getting education, sir. So,
okay. So in future, if your children demand the mobile phone to you, then what would you do?
sir, it's like from now I have been, we can say, I have been what is called the I have been deciding that yeah, I have decided that I would not give the cell phone to my children. And that's why whenever I will think to marry with any girl. So this all demanding whatever I will keep in front of her, that this is my demand, then you will not have to give the phone and other these all electric things. Yeah, somewhere I will arrange the what is called the Alexa, what is a Google. This is one type of thing, sir.
Okay,
So yeah, this all thing. But cell phone I will not give them, sir.
okay, but don't you think that it will become difficult for you to get married if you keep this condition?
No, yeah, I know, sir. This is a very this is a very critical, difficult demand. But sir, I will choose like this. Otherwise, I I will not try, sir.
So you must be firm on your decision. So, Mr. Marshall,
Inshallah, sir.
now we have come to the concluding part of our session. So, I would like to give my feedback regarding your communication skill. Your efforts are really very nice. Just some of the grammatical mistakes you are committing in your communication skill. So, you just have to focus on that. Otherwise, your communication skill is really very nice.
Inshallah, sir. Thank you, sir. And I would like to also say, sir, thank you. I really happy to have conversation with you. Yeah, sir. Also, his teaching very nice, and he has a good teaching method. But as well as, sir, you have also whatever the requirements of the good teacher you have, sir. Thank you, sir. I really happy to have conversation with you, sir.
Thank you very much. I also enjoy talking to you.